Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
I am Liberty Gutierrez Biron from Philippines. I am widow. I have own employment visa with NOC. I have 2 sons.
You have 2 sons.
Yeah.
Where are they? In Philippines?
Philippines.
Okay. So, please describe your last job as a cleaner for a cleaning company.
My last job for the cleaning company, I clean all inside for the house, for the kitchen. First, I want to remove for all things for the kitchen, and then I wipes for the floor, and then for the floor, I want to put in the Clorox or Dettol for mopping.
Okay. So, describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house. For example, you're going to clean the bedroom.
For the bedroom, I want to put first for the toilet. I want to remove all garbage, and then I clean for all toilet bowl, brush. I put for the Dettol, Clorox for good smell for the toilet, and then I put good put in the towel.
New ones, okay.
Yeah. And then I remove for the bed. I change for the bed sheet. Good preparing for the bed sheet. And then I clean all the mirrors for the room.
Okay. Okay, so do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook for the Filipino food only.
What kind of Filipino foods you can cook?
Like for the adobo, menudo.
But you can follow instruction and cook books.
It's okay if I have books. You
can prepare.
Yes.
Okay. So what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
I am described for myself only. First, trust me, because I want to good cleaners for in your house. And then,
so you're trustworthy.
Yes.
Okay. So please give a short message to your future employer. Why should you be hired?
Ma'am, please me hire for a job. I need for a job. I have 2 sons to the Philippines who need to give help money.
Because they're studying.
Yes.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from MaidCV.com. Thank you.
Thank you.